Let's discuss the reality of forex trading, building wealth with discipline and risk management. Forex trading is often glamorized as a quick path to get rich quick, but the reality is far more grounded. As a forex trader, signal provider, coach, and aspiring hedge fund manager, based here in Cameroon, I'm here to share a true value of trading that you need to know that a lot of mentors will not tell you. And I really want you to understand this because many people get into trading of the inspiration, then within the line they quit, they lose money and they quit because that does not align with the reality to what they wanted to see. So I want us to handle this all in this video. So sit tight, be patient. Let's go right in. Okay, information will save you a lot of money. This information is going to save you a lot of money. So let's go right in. So forex trading is often glamorized as a quick path to riches, right? People usually see it as a quick path to get rich quick, but the reality is far more grounded. As a forex trader, signal provider, a coach, and aspiring hedge fund manager based here in Cameroon, I'm here to share the true value of trading. It is not about overnight success, but it is all about consistency. It's all about consistency, discipline, strategies that deliver realistic gain. Let's dive into why understanding the market, mastering risk management, and embracing patience are the key sustainable success in forex trading and how my services can guide you on this journey. So let's talk about the concept of education. Education first. Let's talk about the conception value of education. The truth about forex trading. Forex trading is the art and science of exchanging currency in the global market. So let's put it this way. Forex trading is the art and science of exchanging currency in the global market. Why the potential for profit exists, it is not a get rich quick scheme. Here's what you need to know. Let's talk about the market complexity and the process of it being learnable. Okay, so the market is complex, but it's learnable. The forex market operates 24/5, driven by global economic events such as interest rates, geopolitical events, and so on. So understanding these dynamics takes time, but with the right guardians, anyone can learn to navigate it. Let's talk about the concept of realistic gain. Chasing 100% return overnight often leads to losses. Chasing 100% overnight often leads to losses. Professional traders aim for a consistent, modest gain, aiming for something like about 5 to 10% monthly return with proper risk management, rather than trying to chase 50% or 100% within a short time space of time. That doesn't guarantee long-term process. You cannot survive the market long-term purchasing or chasing after growth like that. So when we talk about the concept of growth, we talk about the concept of risk management. Risk management also means minimizing your risk exposure of capital that you are exposing in the market. It matters most. So most professional traders really aim for a sustainable target of 5 to 10%, right? But we, especially here in Africa, we are based on the concept of chasing. We believe that we can chase 100%, 200%, 300% gain overnight, or literally in a week, or maximum in a month. Why are we doing so? It boils down to one thing. Our capital exposure in the market is small. If you understand how to trade, it's easy. Take a portfolio, walk out there, then you seek out for people that can invest in you, right? Most people are actually here in Cameroon, in my hometown, Boya. Most people have lost track and they have fallen victim into a lot of Ponzi scheme because of the quick concept of getting money fast in the market. So they end up losing so much that they can bear. And now when you hear about things like investment, they literally just want to run away. Investment will always be there. It is one of the best vehicles that anyone can get into, but it depends on the people that you are dealing with. Okay, so managing risks and targeting realistic gain that can sustain you and preserve your capital long term will take you to where you want to go. So let's talk about the concept of risk management. Risk management is not negotiable. The concept of risk management here is not negotiable. The market is unpredictable, but professional traders protect their capital by risking what 1 to 2% maximum per trade. I even go ahead with the account that I manage funds with. I even go ahead to really risk. So I even see 1% as a maximum risk for me. I see 1% as a maximum risk exposure. I work with 0.5, sometimes I even go down to 0.25%. The 0.5% will take me down to 200 trades in a row. I have to be able to lose 200 times before my account boils down to zero. And it's impossible for me to even have like 20 losses in a row, not even talking of 50 or even talking of 100, not to mention 200 losses. Is it clear? So managing a risk efficiency like putting up 1 to 2% risk, maximum risk per trade, and also utilizing the use of stop loss or stop loss order and diversify your strategies. Okay, so as a coach, I teach this principle to beginners and seasoned traders. So as a coach, I teach this principle to beginners and seasoned traders through our academic program, WYC or Wayfield Capital training program. You can join us. I'll also put my contacts in the details below where you can join me, and let's grow together as a community. So helping you build a solid foundation for long-term success is my priority. My Signal service provides carefully analyzed trade setup to save you time while aligning with this discipline principle. Are you getting me? So let's talk about the inspiring journey of Forex. Okay, let's talk about the inspiring journey of Forex. Before coming into the game, something has to inspire you. Why did you choose Forex amongst other businesses? Let's talk about the inspiring journey of Forex. Your journey to financial freedom. Imagine waking up each day knowing your money is working for you, not just sitting in your bank account. Forex trading, not just sitting in your bank account. Forex trading, when done right, can be a powerful tool for financial independence. That's the simple truth. When Forex trading is done right, it is a powerful tool. I can guarantee you financial independence. But once you go out of track, you can lose literally everything within the split of a second and it's gone. So as an aspiring hedge fund manager in Cameroon, my mission is to empower Africans to take control of their financial future. I will not say just freedom, but the future. Whether you are in Douala or in Lagos out of Cameroon or Nairobi, so far as you belong in Africa, you can join our community. You can learn to trade with discipline and grow your wealth steadily. Is it clear? My journey began with a desire to break free from financial limitation, and now I'm building a legacy. To transform life across Africa, to transform life around my locals in Cameroon, Buya, Bamenda, wherever you are. Through my portfolio management services, I help clients grow their investment with professional strategies tailored to their goals. Let's work together to turn your financial dreams into reality. So we have taking you to one of our most interesting aspects, which is the entertainment. I'll call it like entertainment section in Forex trading. Right? That is the trading mindset in action, putting your trading mindset in action. Picture this. Let's picture this. It's 8 a.m. and you are sipping a coffee, let's say in Boya or in Yaoundé, analyzing the Euro-USD pair. A news report hints at the Europe Central Bank rate is going to hike. Instead of panicking, you check my signal statement, which flags a low risk entry point with a clear stop loss. You place a trade risking only 1% of your account, and by evening, you are locked up 5% gain. That's true of trading with discipline. Okay? Trading isn't about gambling. Trading is not about gambling. You don't gamble in trading. It's about making informed decisions with confidence. My coaching program also teaches you how to stay calm under pressure, while my signal gives you a front row seat to professional trade in action. What I do is that I trade a 30-minute time frame. My entries are being taken on 30-minute time frame, and I have a clear defined stop loss and a risk management in place. And I always send out this alongside with my signal services. You can join that, our WhatsApp community. I'll drop that link below this video so you can join our WhatsApp community for free. Let's talk about the concept of risk management. Let's talk about the concept of risk management. Risk management is the heart of trading. Many traders fail because they overlook risk management. They just simply overlook risk management. Here's why I think risk management is the cornerstone of success in Forex, right? The first concept is protecting your capital. Protect your capital at all costs. Losing trade are inevitable. As a trader, you cannot deal without taking losses. Losses are part of it. You cannot be a trader. There is no way on earth you say you are a trader without taking losses. You cannot. There are people managing billions of dollars in the United States that they have those barely 20% win rate, 30% win rate. That means out of 10 trades, they know they can have those 2 winning trades and they will be profitable. Some knows that they can have those 3 winning trades out of 10 on an average. They'll still be profitable. So risk management plays an important role. It is the heart of trading. Protect your capital. Losing trade are inevitable, like I said, but protect your risks. Risk management ensures you stay as long as possible in the game. Emotional control. Control your emotion. A clear risk plan keeps fear and greed in check, letting you trade with clear mind. Am I teaching good? Build consistency. Small calculated risks lead best to growth, not boom and bust cycle. When you build consistency, small calculated risks that you take will lead you to steady growth, not a boom and a bust cycle, not a situation that you make a lot of money today, you lose it all on an instant tomorrow. Is it clear? So through my portfolio management service, I apply institutional grade risk management to grow your investment safely under my care. For those that are currently investing with me and to those that seek to invest with us. For those learning to trade, my coaching program breaks down this strategy into practical steps that you can apply immediately. So why not join my community? Why not join my community? Ready to unlock the true value of forex trading? Here's how you can get started with me, right? These are the simple steps that you can get started with me on an instant, just like that. First, if you have watched this video right up to this extent, subscribe to my channel, like, and also drop me a comment on what you think about this video, and drop me a comment if in case you have some challenges that you have still not been able to solve, and I guarantee you I'll solve that for free. For free. I will not ask anything, for free. Just drop that in the comment section. If you have watched the video right down to this end, you just drop that in the comment section. So subscribe to my signal service. If you haven't done so, you can subscribe down to my signal service. Get daily trade setup with a clear entry and exit, risk parameters designed for consistent profit. You can also join my coaching program. I'll put down my WhatsApp number in the community below, in the description box below, so you can get to me on WhatsApp. You can talk. I also offer one-on-one. I barely do courses, video course program. I like one-on-one mentorship program, so I take the student on every single step along the way that they need to learn what they need to know. So you can join my coaching program. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, my personalized coaching program will help you master the market. Okay, we don't do just forex, we do forex, we do stock trading. We do stock trading under CFD trading. Then we also do commodity. On commodity, we trade both. We trade gold. We focus on energy. We focus on crude oil, and we also focus on metals. We trade the index market. We trade cryptocurrency as well. So invest with confidence. Right? If you cannot subscribe to my signal service or think you don't have the time to do so, you are unable to join my coaching program, you can invest with us. Let's handle the work for you. Right? Because we provide up to 60% yearly growth. We provide up to 60% per year return back to investors. We provide up to 60% yearly growth. Okay, so you can invest with confidence. Let me manage your portfolio with professional strategies aimed at steady and realistic growth. Follow my journey, connect with me on social media, and stay inspired and learn as I work towards building Africa's next big hedge fund. Okay? So if you have watched me right down to this place, I don't mind consider you dropping a comment below or DM me to share your trading goal or ask me a question. I'm here to help you build wealth together, or one discipline trade at a time. Okay, one discipline trade at a time. So just take one discipline trade at a time. Disclaimer, before I round this up, I will give you a disclaimer. Forex trading carries significant risks. Okay, Forex trading carries significant risks, and past performance is not an indicative or a guarantee for future return. Always trade responsibly and consult a professional financial advisor to guide you. Consider trading as a business. Don't just do trading as something you want to put money inside and boom, you just want to say skyrocket. Okay, it takes time. Growth takes time. I've been in this journey for 5 years. So thank you for watching right down to this video. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and also like this video. See you on our next video. Bye.